Good evening, everyone. My name is Pranav, and I am studying in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, which is also known as IARE. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite important topic, AI ethics in defense system. Coming to the introduction, artificial intelligence is increasingly being used in defense systems to improve surveillance, intelligence analysis, and strategic decision making. AI technologies can process large amount of data quickly and assist military operations in detecting threats and improving security. However, the use of AI in defense also raises serious ethical concerns. Issues such as human control, accountability, civilian safety, and the possibility of autonomous weapons must be carefully considered. Understanding these ethical challenges is important to ensure that AI technologies are developed in and used responsibly for defense systems. Coming to the what is AI in defense system? AI in defense refers to the use of intelligent algorithms and machine learning systems to support military and security operations. These systems can assist in tasks such as surveillance, threat detection, cybersecurity, and battlefield analysis. AI technologies helps process large volume of data much faster than humans, allowing quicker identification of potential threats and risks. This capability helps defense organizations respond more efficiently in critical situations. Because of these advantages, many countries are investing heavily in AI power defense technologies. However, the rapid growth of these systems also raises important ethical and security concerns. Now, the importance of ethics in defense AI is ethics refers to the moral principles that guide responsible decision and making and behavior. When AI is used in defense systems, ethical considerations become extremely important because these technologies can directly impact human life. Defense systems powered by AI make critical decisions related to surveillance, targeting, or security operations. Without proper ethical guidelines, such systems could be misused or cause unintended harm. Therefore, strong ethical frameworks are necessary to ensure that AI technologies are developed and used responsibly while respecting human rights and international laws. So the ethical concerns in AI defense systems are because the use of artificial intelligence in defense system raises several ethical concerns that must be carefully addressed. Since these systems may be involved in critical military decisions, any errors or misuse could have serious consequences. Some major ethical concerns include the lack of human control in autonomous weapon, difficulty in assigning responsibility for AI decisions, and the risk of unintended harm to civilians. There is also concern that AI powered defense technologies could increase global military competition or escalate conflicts. Because of this risk, ethical considerations are essential when designing and deploying AI systems in defense. So, for this, the ethical guidelines is needed. As AI technologies become more powerful and widely used in defense systems, establishing clear ethical guidelines becomes increasingly important. These guidelines helps ensure that AI systems operate within safe and responsible boundaries. Ethical frameworks encourage transparency, accountability, and human oversight in the development and use of AI technologies. They help organizations design systems that follow international laws and respect human rights. By implementing proper ethical standards, governments and defense organizations can reduce risk and ensure that AI is used responsibly for security and protection. So, based on the human control and responsibility, one of the most important ethical principle in AI defense systems is maintaining human control over critical decisions. AI systems can assist in analyzing data and identifying threats, but final decisions, especially those involving the use of force, should remain under human supervision. Human operators must be responsible for monitoring and controlling AI-based systems. This helps ensure that decisions are made carefully and ethically. Maintaining human oversight also improves accountability, as humans remain responsible for the actions taken by AI systems. So, the autonomous weapon issue, which is a big issue, autonomous weapons are defense systems that can identify, select, and attack targets without direct human intervention. These systems rely heavily on artificial intelligence to make rapid decisions. While autonomous weapons may increase military efficiency, they also raise serious ethical concerns. Machines may not fully understand complex human situations or moral considerations. There is a concern that this system could lead to unintended damage or civilian harm if not properly controlled. For this reason, many experts argue that strong regulations are necessary for the development and use of autonomous weapons. Coming to the accountability and transparency, accountability is like an important ethical issue. The AI-based defense systems, when AI systems are involved in military decisions, it becomes difficult to determine who is responsible if something goes wrong. For example, if an autonomous system makes an incorrect decision that causes harm, it may be unclear whether the responsibility lies with the developers, operators, or the organization using the system. Transparency is in how AI systems are designed and how they make decisions is therefore essential. Clear documentation and monitoring helps ensure accountability and build trust in AI technologies. So, the risk of civilians is the major ethical concern in AI defense systems. It has the potential risk to civilians. AI-powered systems must be able to clearly distinguish between military targets and non-combatants. If the system makes an error in identification, it could lead to the civilian casualties and intent destruction. Such outcomes raise serious humanitarian and ethical issues. Therefore, AI systems used in defense must undergo strict testing and validation to ensure accuracy, safety, and compliance with international humanitarian laws. Coming to the bias and data issues, AI system rely heavily on data to learn patterns and make decisions. If the training data is biased or incomplete or any type of inaccurate or it has some errors in it, the AI system may produce incorrect or unfair results which may cause heavy loss. In these defense applications, such bias should be led to misidentification of threats or incorrect targeting decisions. This can create serious ethical and safety concerns. Therefore, it is important to use high quality, diverse, and carefully verified data sets while developing AI systems for defense purposes. So, coming to the international laws and regulations, the development and use of AI in defense must follow international laws and humanitarian principles. Many global organizations are working to create rules that regulate the use of autonomous weapons and military AI technologies. Those regulations aim to ensure that AI systems respect human rights and follow the laws of armed conflict. By establishing clear international standards, countries can promote responsible use of AI in defense while preventing misuse or uncontrolled escalation of military technologies. So, the advantages of using AI in defense is artificial intelligence offers several advantages in modern defense systems. AI technologies can process large volume of data quickly and provide valuable insights of military decision making. AI systems can improve surveillance, threat decision, and intelligence analysis. They help in identifying potential risks faster than traditional methods. Additionally, AI can reduce human workload in dangerous situations by assisting with monitoring, data processing, and strategic planning. These advantages make an important tool for improving national security and defense capabilities. So, coming to the risks of AI and defense system, despite its benefits, AI and defense system also introduces several risks. One major concern is possibility of unintended errors or system failures during critical operations. AI systems may also be vulnerable to cyber attacks, where hackers manipulate data or interfere with military systems. This could lead to the incorrect decision or security threats. Another risk is potential misuse of AI technology by malicious actors or terrorist groups. Because of this, strong security measures and ethical guidelines are necessary. So, the role of the government and organizations also play an important in this part. Government and international organizations play an important role in regulating the use of AI in defense systems. They are responsible for creating policies that ensure safe and ethical development of these technologies. Research institutions and AI technology company must follow ethical standard when designing AI systems for military applications. Collaboration between government, researchers, and international bodies can help create responsible AI policies, prevent misuse of advanced defense technologies. So, the responsibility of AI development in defense requires careful planning, testing, monitoring. Developers must ensure that AI systems are reliable, safe, and transparent. Human oversight should always be maintained, especially when AI systems are involved in critical decisions. Regular evaluation and updates are also necessary to improve system performance and safety. By focusing on responsible development, defense organizations can use AI technology effectively while minimizing ethical risks. So, the future of AI in defense is the future of artificial intelligence is expected to include more advanced technologies such as autonomous drones, intelligent surveillance systems, and AI-powered cyber security tools. These systems may help in defense organizations detect threats faster and respond more efficiently to security changes. However, as AI technology becomes more powerful, ethical issues such as human control, accountability, and proper regulation will become increasingly important. Therefore, responsible development and international cooperation will be necessary to ensure that AI is used and ethically in defense systems. Coming to the conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming modern defense system by improving surveillance, threat decision, and decision-making capabilities. However, the use of AI in defense system also raises important ethical concerns such as human control, accountability, civilian safety, and the risks of autonomous weapons. Addressing these ethical issues is essential to ensure that AI technologies are developed and used responsibly. By following strong ethical principles, proper regulations, and international cooperation, AI can support defense systems while maintaining global security and humanitarian values. Thank